this recipe, my friend, you need some chocolate for melting, and you need some dates. And this is the honey dates from my last haul. I'm going to put a link below to that. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to prepare the tray by lining the tray with parchment paper, and then we're going to start our process. So my friends, I'm going to use a double boiler method for this. So I have my bowl sitting on top of some hot water. I'm just going to add my chocolate wafers in the bowl. Okay, in the bowl it goes, and I'm just going to leave that. Oh, it's not too bright. I'm going to leave that to melt down a little bit. This is an easy recipe for you to do if you're looking for a quick treat. This chocolate date recipe is quick and easy, very simple. Okay, so let's let that melt a little bit, and then we'll come right back and continue. What I love about using these chocolate, it melts really fast. So be close to the stove, guys. Right, it's melting up nicely. I forgot to tell you guys that this is dark chocolate that I'm using. So you might need to tip a little bit of salt in it if you want to counteract that bitter taste, or we're gonna go bitter and sweet. Okay, here we go. We're almost ready. Lots happening on the stove, my friends. I'm also baking some chocolate chip cookie as well. So the chocolate has melted enough. So what we do next, my friends, you grab your dates. Here you go. And you just dip half of it in the chocolate. Right? Just half of it in the chocolate, just like this. Right? Over on my station here, I have some crushed candy cane. And I'm going to dip some in some crushed candy cane. Right? Just like that. And I'm going to leave that on here to harden up a little bit. So let's grab another one here. Just your dates. Dip it half in chocolate. Just like that. Make sure you can handle it. Make sure your hands are clean. Bring it over to some flake coconut. Dip it into the coconut. Oh my goodness, my friends. And then we're going to put it here to dry. I'm going to get another date. I'm going to dip it in chocolate and half chocolate. There you go. And I'm going to put it here to dry so we can have some coconut flakes, some with candy cane, crushed candy cane. And then I'm going to do one more. Oh, nice. This is so yummy, guys. Try it and let me know what you think. Your guests will be impressed to know that you went all the way out to have them a nice chocolate date treat. Oh my gosh. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And just let it stay there, my friends, and dry. And you can use any dates for this, any dates. And remember, these are honey dates that I'm using from the bulk barn, and they already have a sweet taste to it, so that will definitely works well with the chocolate. Let's get one more dipped in candy cane crumbs. Okay, I'm gonna dip one more. Dip it in candy cane. Put it to dry. Oh my gosh. Like, who invented this? And this one wasn't, this one was from a friend of mine as well. I like to give people credit when they suggest something, or if I happen to, you know, get an idea from someone, I make sure I give them credit for it. Oh my goodness. My friends, let's just do a few more and then we'll be done. Oh. Make sure your stove is on medium low too, my friends. Medium low to melt up this wonderful chocolate. Ooh, 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 ooh. Just like that. And let me do one more with chocolate. One more with some candy cane. And I'm going to do one more with the coconut flakes as well. So we're gonna let this harden up a little bit. If you want to put it in the fridge for a little bit, you can do that to harden quickly. And basically that's it. A yummy treat. And this is chocolate dates. Thank you for watching, my friends. And remember, regardless of where you begin, you can end with something better.